sulfur eye ointment. In sulfur eye ointment, we need 4 ingredients. First one is the whites of paraffin, second one wool fat, and third one liquid paraffin. These 3 ingredients will make your base for the ointment, and finally once we will prepare our ointment base, then we are going to mix our sulfur powder with it. That's simple. So let's start. First we have to take whites of paraffin in one beaker. We are going to prepare total 22 grams of eye ointment containing sulfur. So first take white soft paraffin, add
Lanolin.
which is also called as a
Wool.
lanolin.
Or lanolin.
It is little bit viscous kind of the materials. Try to take all the material just to compensate the manufacturing loss. Always calculate 2 gram extra,
Okay.
because all the materials are viscous and it will be very difficult to get the exact yield which we prepare. Right?
Yeah.
Now we are going to just melt it in water bath. We are maintaining our water bath at 70 degrees centigrade. So just allow to melt, just stir it slowly, it will get melt. Because both is the semi-solid and both is the fatty kind of the material. Or you can call it the oily phase. Once it is melt, keep it aside for few minutes. Slightly heat the liquid paraffin. Take it up to 70 degrees centigrade. So slightly viscosity will decrease and easy to mix with our another fatty phase. Once the temperature is almost same, you have to add drop wise into it and allow to mix.
Okay.
Now liquid paraffin is added. Now you have to just stir it. You have to continuously stir it. As the temperature of this mixture will get down, again it will get solidified.
Okay.
And everything will become semi-solid.
Okay.
So that slowly temperature will get down and it will become semi-solid material. This will just make your ointment base. You can also use cold water to solidify faster, but if it will get solidify slowly, right, that will be better. So emulsification process will be proper. Now you can see नजीक लाओ. It will take little more time to get cooler, temperature get down, normal temperature. बदी पड़ी take care, the glass rod must be parallel to the surface of your beaker and you have to mix like this, okay, so that maximum amount of surface area can be achieved and spreading of your liquid will be uniform throughout the beaker surface.
સર કેટલા ટાઈમ કરવાનું છે આ મિક્સિંગ?
જ્યાં સુધી સોલિડિફાઈ ન થાય ત્યાં સુધી.
ઓકે.
આનું ટેમ્પરેચર રૂમ ટેમ્પરેચરે આવશે that time it will become solidified.
ઓકે.
Speedy this process, put this beaker under the cold water, right, અને આખું સોલિડિફિકેશન સ્પીડ આ રીતે સ્લોલી થાય તો એનું ઇમલ્સિફિકેશન પણ સારું થાય અને તમારું ઓઇન્ટમેન્ટ પણ સારી ક્વોલિટી. You can see the viscosity is getting increased. પહેલાં એકદમ લિક્વિડ જેવું હતું. Now it little bit more viscous and slowly જેમ ટેમ્પરેચર ડાઉન થશે એ રીતે એનું વિસ્કોસિટી વધતી જશે and it will become satisfying. કોલ્ડ વોટર એક સારા તપેલીમાં pause kar.
Repeat it.
Now we had kept our beaker into cold water so that your solidification will little bit speedy. Now you can see the viscosity increase drastically compared to previously. Now you can see it, right?
Yes.
So nothing, it's very simple. All are semi-solid. Mix all three ingredients, melt it and cool it. That's it. So very simple process of making ointment base. Once your ointment base is ready, you can add your sulfur or whatever the drug you want to add into the ointment base. It will become your formulation, right? Now you can see ointment is almost ready.
Yeah.
Spread it properly on the surface. Don't worry about whether it is going to stick on over the surface. You can easily wipe it out with the help of glass rod, right?
Yeah.
Use glass rod, don't use spatula for mixing, because glass rod can parallelly stick with the surface and you can make the movement very easily.
ઓકે
જેટલું સારું સ્પ્રેડ થશે સરફેસ ઉપર એટલું સારું મિક્સિંગ થશે, રાઈટ? નાઉ યુ કેન સી ધ પરફેક્ટ ઓઇન્ટમેન્ટ ઇઝ રેડી. Perfect ointment has been developed. It is ointment base. Okay. Now we are going to add the sulfur as a drug. We are going to prepare 1% of sulfur ointment. So according to the quantity of base, we are going to calculate 1% of that sulfur amount and we are going to add it. Add it, and now you are going to prepare proper mixture. Now mix it thoroughly so all the sulfur will get mixed with entire amount of the ointment base, and you can spread over the surface, right? जितना स्प्रेड करोगे उतना अच्छे से मिक्स होगा. So don't do like this. ऐसे नहीं करना है. You have to make little bit tilted and you have to spread it. पूरे बीकर में स्प्रेड करना है. So if any lump will be there in sulfur, it will get break down and your sulfur ointment will be ready. Mix it thoroughly for 2 to 3 minutes or up to 5 minutes until the homogeneous mixture has been created.
ઓકે
This is called pure or pakka
Sulfur eye
sulfur
ointment.
ointment. You can see the sulfur powder is completely dispersed in entire amount of base, ointment base, right? Viscosity is quite good. You can see it. Now you can perform some of the quality control test for the ointment, just like viscosity, texture, grittiness or irritation and pH. So this test you have to perform, and then this ointment is ready for application for the patient, right? Thank you.